Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ren. I'm known as Daily Queen. Yes, we are queen over here. If you want to see how I turned this basic white door to this amazing office classic black door, just keep on watching. So this is a very brand new built home. There's nothing wrong with the door. I was just not feeling the color. It was not giving me what I wanted to give, especially with my decoration. Lately I've been liking like classic black and white, so I decided to paint it. I really didn't prime the doors. I just tape all the corners and make sure that I cover the glass and everything so that it will not be on there, which the one that get on it was pretty much easy to kind of wipe off. So yeah, I used this paint. I got it from Lowe's. It was under $20, I believe. Very pretty black color. Is matte, I mean flat black. So we begin painting, you guys. This whole project took me about 2 days to finish, and the end result was amazing. So I make sure that I paint all the corners and everything, and I use the smallest brush to really deep into the little tiny corners that are really close to the mirror. I don't know if I recorded that part, but yeah, it was really nice. The struggle with this whole painting was try to get into the corner as much as possible. So I really highly recommend you getting a brush like a tiny brush. At the end of the day, I use my makeup brush, my one of my eyeshadow makeup brush, which it get the job done. But yeah. At first, I wasn't going to really paint inside of the door. I just wanted to do outside, but I end up doing inside anyway because it was just not looking good to me. So I decided to paint inside as well, and also the doorknobs. I did about 2 coats so the color can really show. I really want it really like black, like a really flat black. I let it dry for 2 days, but honestly, you can either start taking out the um tape in the next day or so, but I just let mine to be 2 days to make sure that it's really um dry before I start taking out the tip. After taking out the tip, I decided to repaint the edges better so that little white will not show. But yeah, this is the final result. I am so happy with it. Honestly, it's so pretty, and every time anybody comes to our house, it's kind of like whoa kind of vibe that I get. So I'm excited. I am so glad that I painted the office door black because it matches with the vibe that I'm going with this decoration for the house. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more video like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, because I have a lot coming up for DIY stuff. So yeah, share it to friends, tell a friend to tell a friend. Until next time, see ya.